And once you make that reality internally, the reality outside will follow. Okay. We are meant to fulfill what we internally create. Don't expect reality to give you a gift.
Welcome to Unstoppable Podcast with Harry Sardinas, inspiring conversations with influential millionaires, investors, thought leaders, entrepreneurs who are making a massive difference with their innovative products and services, and sharing the challenges and wisdom of how they sold their first million.
That's 100% agree with you. So, Alfredo, if someone is in love with our conversation, how people can find you, how this process work, how can they find you on LinkedIn?
Look, LinkedIn, Alfredo Borodowski, LinkedIn, and I am an avid, as I said, user of LinkedIn, then you can contact me there and just mention that, I've been with Harry Sardinas and, but also if they go to, if they text me on that couple of pages that I will tell you how to get your top strengths, I'm going to give you also a way to get in touch with me.
So can you repeat the number that I need to text you?
Yes, it's positive at 33777.
That's brilliant.
As easy as I could get. I used to give my website, and I used to give my name, Alfredo Borodowski. How do you spell Borodowski?
No, now very simple. Just text and that's it.
That's
I
it.
love it.
Text me one word to an easy number. I mean, we can make it easier, okay?
Couldn't be easy. Thank you so much, Alfredo. What last message? What last message do you have for people that wanna be entrepreneur and they are trapped in this corporate work and maybe they want to have a freedom, but they don't know their strength and they are scared to become an entrepreneur. And for also the people working in corporate that they are listening to this podcast and they are depressed, they have mental health issues, they are doing things that they don't like and they hate. However, they cannot quit because they have a big house, they have a big car, and this is all they have in that salary. And regardless, they don't like what they're doing, they have to cope with it. So, what message do you have for wannabe entrepreneurs or for people actually working that the strength hasn't been maximized and they're making money, they're going to work every day, but they are not fulfilled. They don't feel that they're exploiting the great potential they have.
Then I will ask them, where do you live 80% of your time? Where do you live 80% of your time? And I tell you where you live 80% of your time, in your mind.
100%.
The residence of the self is the mind. We
Wow.
sometimes don't realize that we live 80% of the time in our own thoughts. Control your thoughts. Think positively, okay? Make a reality internally. And once you make that reality internally, the reality outside will follow. Okay? We are meant to fulfill what we internally create. Don't expect reality to give you a gift. Reality is not coming to you. You are coming to reality with the internal conviction that your dreams are possible and are going to manifest themselves. Live your life like that.
And on that note, thank you so much, Alfredo, to be in the broadcast, and for all of you listening. Remember, find your strength. If you're an entrepreneur, if you're in business, you need to know your five strengths. This I can tell you for sure because you need to hide the people in your organization that that don't have the same strength. Because if everybody had the same strength,
Right.
and what's gonna happen? Who's gonna do the job? Who's gonna do the thing that nobody's good at, right? So thank you so much, Alfredo. This has been really powerful and very refreshing, and a topic that very important that nobody talks about. And probably you're looking at your company now, you're looking at your organization, and you're thinking this company is not making profit, it's not thriving. And the first thought of your mind is, let me fire some people. And think about twice. Think about the people that you already have in the organization. How can you maximize the strength? how you can, if you need help, bring a consultant. Happy Alfredo will love to go and pay you a visit, but find the strength of your employees, of your management team, of your board meeting, and the witness, and a surprise Christmas might come early to you if you embrace this. Because if you fight the people and still you're not getting the maximum potential of the people that you have in the organization, the company is not gonna drive. You're just gonna put the patch in the organization, but the problem is not gonna get solved. So thank you so much. And for all of you seeing the broadcast, in our next episode, allow brave entrepreneur like Alfredo break that wall and achieve the first million. Bye for now.
Follow us for more interviews with world's most influential, audacious entrepreneurs that overcame challenges and adversity, providing you with the blueprint of how they sold their first million so you can grow your business exponentially.